Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to pay monthly on Amazon. Step 1, go to amazon.com and search for the item that you want. So for example, an iPhone. Step 2, check if the product offers monthly payment. You can see the pay monthly or installments available near the price. Step 3, select that option and click Add to Cart or Buy Now. Step 4, choose a payment method that qualifies. It is usually a valid credit card. Step 5, follow the prompts to confirm the payment plan and place your order. Note, Amazon's monthly payment option is only available for selected items and accounts in good standing. And that's how to pay monthly on Amazon via step by step. Thanks for watching.